Okay, so hi there everybody. We're going to continue with our videos in Vedic Mathematics. And here we're going to illustrate or fully illustrate what we have given last video. So this is in Algebraic Products, and we're going to do this now with full illustrations compared to last videos wherein there's no illustration given. So let's have this, which we will expand the quantity 2x plus 4 times the quantity 3x minus 5. Okay, so let's use the sutra vertically and crosswise here. Okay, first let's put them in vertically, which will give us 2x plus 4 times 3x minus 5. Actually, we can get rid of the parentheses, but anyways, let's just leave it there. Or, I will just delete that. Let's redo that. Oh, sorry about that. Um, 2x, sorry. Again, 2x plus 4 times the quantity of 3x. Okay, let's do this. 2x plus 4 times the quantity of 3x minus 5. Okay, so let's have this. First is crosswise, or rather vertically. So 6x times 3x. So we're going to multiply this downward vertically. What we have is 6x squared, right? Multiply 2 times 3, that's 6. X times x is x squared. Next, we're going to do the crosswise method. We're going to multiply 2x times minus 5 plus 4 times 3x. So 2x times minus 5 is going to give us negative 10x. And then 4 times 3x is going to give us 12x, so that's plus 12x. So combine them, what we're going to have is positive 2x for the middle term. And then 4 times negative 5 is going to give us negative 20, which gives us our answer in this example number 1. Okay, so pretty much it's again, as was illustrated in the last video, this is pretty much the same when we are multiplying digits, only that we let x to become 10. This may become 24. This may become 30 bar 5. So that's gonna be 25. So 24 times 25 is pretty much gonna give us this same pattern of numbers. Okay, so that's pretty much the same. That's why algebra and arithmetic um, goes together as far as vertically and crosswise sutra um, is concerned. So that's for example 1. Let's proceed to example 2. So this is like a 3-digit number, and we have trinomials to be multiplied. So therefore, we're going to use the sutra vertically and crosswise. Remember the 3-digit method of using them. So what we're going to write is 1x here, so that's a plus x, and then a plus x squared over here. Okay, and then multiply that by 2, and we plus 3x, and then plus 9x squared. Okay, oops, sorry. Okay, so let's multiply them. First is crosswise. 1 times 2 is going to give us 2 for the first term. Next is sorry, that's vertically. Crosswise is 1 times 3x is going to give us 3x plus x times 2 is 2x. So 3x plus 2x is going to give us 5x. That's positive. And then let's do the complete crosswise method, when we're going to multiply 1 times 9x squared. That's going to be 9x squared. The two middle terms, x times 3x is going to give us 3x squared. and then 2 times 2x is going to give us 2x squared. So all of them are positive, so there's no problem about the signs. So this is going to give us 14x squared. So hence 14x squared will come here. Okay, and then we're going to multiply x times 9x squared. So that's going to be 9x cubed. And then crosswise again, x squared times 3x squared, it's going to be 3x cubed. So which gives us 12x cubed. That's positive. 12x cubed. And then vertically now, x squared times 9x squared is going to give us 9x to the fourth. So this is our answer. If you want it um, in a ascending order, so we can write it as 9x to the fourth plus 12x cubed plus 14x squared. Sorry about that. Plus 5x plus 2. Oops, sorry. Okay, and that's our answer for this second example wherein we're multiplying a trinomial by a trinomial. All right, so that's it for this video. I just showed you two examples of how to use vertically and crosswise, or the vertically and crosswise sutra in algebraic products. So in the next video, we're going to answer the practice, which is practice 3.4, wherein we have 3 items there. Um, so make sure to check that out. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you would like this and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.